Waste Pro garbage truck of the Idaho Steelheads logo on it. And there is the garbage truck of the Idaho Steelheads logo on it. This is for my YouTube channel. There's the Idaho Steelheads garbage truck. Waste Pro for my YouTube channel. This is the Idaho Steelheads Waste Pro garbage truck for my YouTube channel. And this is a Waste Pro garbage truck. Wow, this is very good. Wow, this is so good. This is a Waste Pro garbage truck for my YouTube channel. What is that? Wow, it's so funny. There's all the garbage truck, all the garbage is inside the garbage truck. Wow, it's so funny. Wow, there is a pile of garbages. They clean up all this mess in the abandoned restaurant. They clean up all this garbages. And looking for a pile of trash. There are broken furniture. Wow, they have the broken ones, the broken furniture. Oh, it's that. They clean up all this mess. This is the Waste Pro garbage truck for my YouTube channel. What is that? Idaho Steelheads Waste Pro garbage truck. For my YouTube channel. What is that? Idaho Steelheads Waste Pro garbage truck. What is that? The garbage truck is like all the garbages. What is that? For my YouTube channel, there is a garbage truck of the Idaho Steelheads logo on it. What is that? Are you familiar with the Idaho Steelheads Waste Pro garbage truck? Oh, so funny. Holy cow, that's a garbage truck for my YouTube channel. What is that? They're eating a couch? Holy Jesus. This garbage truck is eating a couch? Wow, so funny. This is my YouTube channel. Look at all the garbage trucks. Types of garbage truck. Types of garbage truck. For my YouTube channel. Types of garbage truck.